We are going to solve some word problems by substitution method. So question number 1 is, the coach of a cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3800. Later, she buys 3 bats and 5 balls for rupees 1750. Find the cost of 1 bat and 1 ball. We are going to assume let the cost of 1 bat be X rupees and the cost of 1 ball be Y rupees. In the question it is asked 7 bats. So what is going to be the price of 7 bat? When the price of 1 bat is X rupees, so price of 7 bats will be 7x. And 6 balls. When the price of 1 ball is Y rupees, the price of 6 balls is going to be 6y. The total cost her rupees 3800. So the total is 3800. When she purchased 3 bats, so what will be the price of 3 bats? 3x and 5 balls. When the cost of 1 ball is y, the cost of 5 balls is going to be 5y. The total cost her rupees 1750. So here we got our two equations. Solving these, we are going to get x and y, that is the cost of 1 bat and cost of 1 ball. 3x equals to 1750 minus 5y. So the value of x from here will be 1750 minus 5y upon 3. Put this value of x in equation first. Then we will get 7 times of 1750 minus 5y upon 3 plus 6y equals to 3800. When we open the bracket, it will become 7 into 1750, 7 5s are 35. Now take the LCM, multiply each by 3. 12250 minus 35y. 6 into 3 will be 18. And multiply this also by 3. Okay. Minus 35 plus 18. Plus minus is going to be minus. It will become minus 17y. Here 11400 minus 12,250 minus 17y will be equals to minus of 850. Minus minus cut. Value of y will be 850 upon 17. 17 5s are 85. So value of y will be 50. Now substitute this value of y in this. What we assumed was x equals to 1750 minus 5y upon 3. Putting the value of y equals to 50 in this, we will get the value of x. X we supposed was 1750 minus 5y upon 3. Put value of y equals to 50 in this. 1750 minus 5 multiplied by 50 upon 3. It will be minus 250 upon 3. 1500 upon 3. So x equals to 500. Cost of 1 bat is 500 rupees and the cost of 1 ball is 50 rupees. Question is, the taxi charges in a city consist of a fixed charge along with charge of the distance covered. For a distance of 10 kilometers, the charge was rupees 105, and for a journey of 15 kilometers, charge was 155. What are the fixed charges and charges per kilometer? How much is to be paid for a distance of 25 kilometers? We have assumed here, let the fixed charges be X rupees and charges per kilometer be Y rupees. In the question it is said, for a distance of 10 kilometers, he has to pay 105 rupees. The fixed charges per kilometer. So charges for 1 kilometer is Y. Charges of 10 kilometer is going to be 10Y. The total to be paid was 105. Next, for a journey of 15 kilometer, he has to pay 155. 155 is for 15 kilometer. Charges per kilometer is Y. So charges for 15 kilometer is going to be 15Y, and the total, the fixed and the charges per kilometer cost him 155. From first equation, the value of x will be 100. This value of x in equation 2, we will get 105 minus 10y plus 15y equals to 155. 15y minus 10y will be 5y, and 155 minus 105 will be 50. So charges per kilometer will be rupees 10. Now put this value of y in equation 3. That was our substituted value of x. X we assumed was 105 minus 10y. It will become 105 minus 10 into value of y, that is 10. 105 minus 100. So fixed charges was 5 rupees. Next in the question it was asked, how much is to be paid for a distance of 25 km? So the equation for 25 km will be the fixed charges plus charges per kilometer. X, the value of x was 5 and the value of y was 10. 5 plus 250, that is going to be 255 rupees. So for a distance of 25 km, we have to pay 255 rupees. Next question is, a fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both numerator and denominator. If 3 is added to both numerator and denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. Find the fraction. We assumed here, let the numerator be x and denominator be y. So our fraction will be x by y. In the question it is said, if 2 is added to both numerator and denominator, it becomes 9 by 11. When I am going to add 2 in both numerator and denominator, my fraction will become 9 by 11. Cross multiply them. It will be 11 x plus 2 equals to 9 y plus 2. 11x plus 22 equals 9y plus 18. 11x minus 9y equals to 18 minus 22. 11x minus 9y equals to minus 4. This is our equation 1. Next it is said, if 3 is added to both, the fraction becomes 5 by 6. So what we are going to do is add 3 in both numerator and denominator. The fraction now becomes 5 by 6. Again, cross multiply. It will be 6x plus 18 equals 5y plus 15. So our equation will be 6x minus 5y equals to 15 minus 18. 6x minus 5y equals minus 3. This is our equation 2. the value of x from this equation will be minus 3 plus 5y upon 6. Put this value of x in equation first. So equation first was 11x minus 9y equals to minus 4. Putting the value of x, we are going to get 11 minus 3 plus 5y upon 6 minus 9y equals to minus 4. The equation now from two variables turns to be in a single variable y. 11 5s are 55, 11 3s are 33. Taking the LCM as 6, multiply each and every variable by 6, it will become minus 54y equals to minus 24. 55 minus 54 will be y equals to 33 minus 24. So our value of y will be 33 minus 24, that is 9. Now put this value of y in this equation, let's say 3. X was minus 3 plus 5y, value of y is 9 upon 6. 5 9s are 45, 45 minus 3 upon 6. 45 minus 3 will be 42. 42 upon 6 is 7. And our fraction will be 7 by 9. That is our answer. In the next question it is asked, 5 years hence the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. And 5 years ago Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. What are their present ages? We have assumed here, let the present age of Jacob be x and present age of his son be y. 5 years hence. So after 5 years, the age of Jacob is going to be x plus 5 and the age of his son will be y plus 5. It is said will be 3 times that of his son. The age of Jacob will equals to 3 times the age of his son. Next it is said 5 years ago. 5 years ago, the age of Jacob was x minus 5 and the age of his son will be y minus 5. The age of Jacob was 7 times that of his son. So age of Jacob was 7 times the age of his son. Solving this, we are going to get x plus 5 equals to 3y plus 15. X minus 3y equals to 10. This is our equation first. Solving this, we are going to get minus 35, or we can say 7y minus x equals to 30. This is our equation 2. The value of x from here will be 7y minus 30. Put this value of x in equation 1. So what we are going to get is 7y minus 30 minus 3y equals to 10. 7y minus 3y will be 4y minus 30 equals to 10. 4y equals to 30 plus 10, that is 40, and y will be 40 by 4, that is 10. So present age of his son is 10 years. Now put the value of y in equation 3. So x equals to 7y minus 30. X equals to 7 into 10 minus 30. 70 minus 30. Age of Jacob is 40 years.